The Indian government is in the process of acquiring around 200 warplanes to deal with the depletion of the Indian Air Force fleet, Indian Defense Minister Ajay Kumar said. Apart from this expression of interest, EOI has been posted for 110 other warplanes based on requests for proposals, RFP, Kumar said. Around 200 aircraft. This acquisition is in the process, he said. We're in the process of completing a contract for 83 sophisticated Mark 1A light combat aircraft (LCA) warplanes to meet India's urgent needs, the defense minister told reporters on the sidelines of Indian Coast Guard ship reception ceremony. Reports the week. Kumar said that the contract for the LCA would be signed definitely this year. We want to do it as soon as possible, he said when asked about the timetable when new fighter planes would be obtained. Kumar said that with the completed design, the aerospace company Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) would increase LCA Mark 1A jet fighter production from 8 units to 16 units per year. If needed, through outsourcing, we can further improve it, he said. The Indian Air Force currently has Sukhoi 30 Mki warplanes, Mirage 2000, MiG-29, Old Jaguar and MiG-21 Bison in stock. The last fleet, consisting of 7 MiG-27 swing-wing warplanes, which played an important role during the 1999 Kargil War, was deactivated on December 27.